The journey of electric vehicles have a strange curve. We anticipate they'll grow, but the adoption rates have been quite tepid. On the occasion of World EV Day, we are doing a bunch of curated stories. But at the heart of it remains the big question: how to drive an EV efficiently so that you can have the maximum range out of your electric car. So here are a few points that you should take note of every time you take the wheels of an electric car. Electric vehicles are quite simple, much simpler than your ICE counterparts. Essentially, the motor and the battery pack takes a bulk of it. Now, like most gadgets running on batteries, you have to take care of the charging cycles. Avoid fast charging as much as you can unless you are venturing out on highways and you're going for intra-city trips. Fast charging should not be a part of your daily living when you are driving an EV. Fast charging, as industry experts say, depletes your battery faster than expected. Also, maintain your charging cycles. It's advisable you don't let the battery deplete beyond 20%, which often is referred to as deep discharge, and try to avoid charging your vehicle over and above 80%. The sweet spot of 20 to 80 can help battery run in a much stress-free condition. Much like your phone, there are a few practices that you should make part of your living when you are driving an EV. For example, avoid harsh braking, harsh acceleration. At times, if you want to have fun, you may go drive spiritedly, but for regular cases, try to be more subtle, more gentle on the throttle, and also take the help of regenerative braking, which effectively increases your battery health by all that much that when you require in the stop-go traffic. Air conditioning is something that kind of kills your battery more quickly. So it's better to precondition your car. You park your car at a shade away from the sunlight, which overall also decreases the pressure on the battery pack. This is something that often customers overlook is, time to time update your application, the app that powers your system, the app that powers your connection with the car. So effectively, whenever there's an OTA update, over the air update, try to accept that and also know what's best for your electric car. When you buy a new electric vehicles, most manufacturers take care of it. But whenever you go into replacement market, please make sure you get the right tire for your electric vehicle. Low rolling resistance tires are very important. It overall reduces the drag and in effect, it reduces the pressure on your battery pack. Compared to an ICE vehicle, EVs have far less components and complexity, but still it's advisable to keep the car in a good condition, which means time to time servicing also should be in your checklist. Alongside that, software update is something that you should take notice of. Time to time updates that companies roll out, do ensure to install that in your app that connects you to your car. So these were a few practices that can keep your electric car in a good condition and you as an owner happy. What are your thoughts? I would love to know. If I've missed any, do feel free to share in the comments box below.